Good day, everyone. Welcome to our talk show. So today we're going to talk about the cyberbullying issues. So before we start our show, let me introduce myself. My name is John Liboy Conde and I am from the Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Mathematics. So I'm with
I am Shane Costanange from Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management.
So can you tell me about this cyberbullying issue?
So for me, cyberbullying is when someone bullies a person mentally and they use a phone or internet, and these kind of issues are very hard to prevent.
So Miss Shane, have you ever experienced cyberbullying?
Thankfully, I have not experienced this yet, but I knew someone who has this experience.
Miss Shane, can you give me an example of cyberbullying?
Sending death threats to someone and also spreading rumors about a person and also posting embarrassing pictures of someone without their permissions.
So can you tell me how cyberbullying affect people?
It can affect people, especially their mental health. It can hurt them or they can have anxiety, and it can also lead to serious problems like self-harm or suicide.
Miss Shane, what can we do to stop cyberbullying?
To stop cyberbullying, education is very important. We need to teach kids or teenagers the effects of cyberbullying on people and promote kindness. And we also have social media platforms to promote kindness and spread anti-bullying.
Shane, what is your advice to those people that experience cyberbullying?
Speak up or talk to a trusted friend or adult, and also getting some help with them can actually help you, and you're not alone in this.
So thank you, Miss Shane, for being here in our talk show.
You're welcome, and guys, remember that not everything you see on social media is real. That's all.
Thank you.